Good morning students. This is math session 10th standard chapter 3 matrices. In that we are going to see multiplication of matrices. For the multiplication of matrices, first we have to find the order of the given two matrix. From that we will get the order of product matrix. Let us see one example. If the left hand matrix order is 3 cross 3 and right hand matrix is 3 cross 2, then the product of the matrix is 3 cross 2. See, here first matrix column number and second matrix row number must be equal. Then the product of the matrix is first matrix row number and second matrix column number. That is, the product AB can be found if the number of columns of matrix A is equal to the number of rows of matrix B. Then only we will do the product. If the order of matrix A is M cross N and B is N cross P, then the order of AB is M cross P. That is, here N and N are equal, so the product is M cross P. Here I will explain matrix multiplication by two methods, that is method 1 and method 2. Method 1 is explained in your book.
Multiplication of matrices. The elements of matrix A are 3, 2, 4, 1, 2, 5. There are 3 rows and 2 columns. The order of matrix A is 3 by 2. The elements of matrix B are 3, 1, 4, 2, 5 minus 1. The order is 2 by 3, 2 rows and 3 columns. To multiply two matrices, the number of columns in the first matrix must be equal to the number of rows in the second matrix. Then only the product of matrix AB is defined. Here the number of columns in the matrix A is equal to the number of rows in matrix B. 2 is equal to 2. The other two numbers determine the order of product matrix AB as 3 by 3. Matrices are multiplied by multiplying the elements in a row of the first matrix by the elements in a column of the second matrix and adding the results. For example, let us see the product of AB. First row, first column, first row, second column, first row, third column. Second row, first column, second row, second column, second row, third column. Third row, first column, third row, second column, third row, third column. That is, we multiply first row 3, 2 with first column 3, 1. First row 3, 2 with second column 4, 2. First row 3, 2 with third column 5 minus 1. Second row 4, 1 with first column 3, 1. Second row 4, 1 with second column 4, 2. Second row 4, 1 with third column 5 minus 1. Third row 2, 5 with first column 3, 1. Third row 2, 5 with second column 4, 2. Third row 2, 5 with third column 5 minus 1. We multiply 3 3s are 9 plus 2 1s are 2. 3 4s are 12 plus 2 2s are 4. 3 5s are 15. 2 minus 1s are minus 2. 4 3s are 12 plus 1 1s are 1. 4 4s are 16 plus 1 2s are 2. 4 5s are 20. 1 minus 1s are minus 1. 2 3s are 6 plus 5 1s are 5. 2 4s are 8 plus 5 2s are 10. 2 5s are 10. 5 minus 1s are minus 5. And we add the results as 9 plus 2 11. 12 plus 4 16. 15 minus 2, 13. 12 plus 1, 13. 16 plus 2, 18. 20 minus 1, 19. 6 plus 5, 11. 8 plus 10, 18. 10 minus 5, 5. Hence the product AB is of order 3 by 3.
Next we are going to see method 2. It is one of the easiest method to find the product of two matrices. Let us see the example 67 in chapter 3. If means given A matrix given of order, here 2 rows 3 columns. So the order is 2 cross 3 and B equal to, then 3 cross 3 matrix is given. In that we are going to find AB value. Let us see the solution. First you have to write the product AB equal to, I have to write A matrix, then B matrix with its order. Here this column number is equal to this row number. So AB is defined. See, for this shortcut method, first you have to count the second matrix column numbers. Here the column number is 3. So I have to write the first matrix for 3 times. Then have to mark the line like this. In the above, I have to write this row wise the column numbers. That is 8, 2, 5 here, 3, 4, 3 here, 1, 1, 1 like this. After that, I have to multiply directly with these numbers. Here 8 into 1, 8 plus 2 into 2, 4 plus 5 into 0, 0. Next 3 into 1, 3, 4 2s are 8, 3 zeros are 3. Here 1 into 1, 1 into 2, 2, 1 into 0, 0. So 8, 3, 8 3s are 24, 2 1 is 2, 5 5s are 25. Here 3 3s are 9, 4 into 1, 4, 3 5s are 15. Here 1 3 is 3, 1 1 is 1 and 1 5 is 5. Then have to add these numbers to get the product value. Next we are going to see properties of multiplication of matrices. First one is matrix multiplication is not commutative in general. Already we are known commutative means comparison of two sets. That is here AB not equal to BA for any matrices. Second one is matrix multiplication is distributive over matrix addition. That is here distributive means multiplication as well as addition. In that we are having two property. First one is right distributive property. That is A into B plus C equal to A into B plus A to C. Second one is left distributive property. A plus B into C equal to AC plus BC. Next one is matrix multiplication is always associative. Already we are known associative means comparison of three numbers. Here multiplication. So AB into C equal to A into BC. That is just change in the brackets alone. Fourth one is multiplication of a matrix by a unit matrix. Here unit matrix is the identity matrix. So A into I equal to I into A is equal to A only. We are going to see some examples. It's all come for your 5 marks. Let us see the example 71 in chapter 3. If means given, here A one matrix, B equal to another matrix and C equal to another matrix, show that AB into C equal to A into BC. That is nothing but associative property. Let us see the solution. First you have to take the left hand side, AB into C. For that, within the brackets AB, that is you have to multiply A and B. With that order, 3, here also 3, so AB is defined. Then you have to do the calculations to find the AB value. The answer must be 1 cross 2 matrix. Yes, we are getting 1 cross 2 matrix. Next, here AB into C. AB into C means the answer which was in AB and with C matrix. Then we will get here 1 cross 2 matrix. Then you have to mark that as 1. Next you have to do the right hand side. Here right hand side is A into BC. Here within bracket BC. So B into C. First you have to find the order is 3 cross 2. Yes. Then you have to find A into BC. That is A matrix. Then BC matrix. We will get the order as 1 cross 2. Yes, how to mark this as 2. Then you have to compare 1 and 2. From 1 and 2, we will get AB into C equal to A into BC. Then hence proved. Now we are going to see the example 72 in chapter 3. If means given. Here A matrix is given, B matrix is given, C matrix is given. Verify that A into B plus C equal to AB plus AC. Here not show that, verify that is only given. So the answer may be equal or may not be equal. Now see the solution. See left hand side A into B plus C. Within the brackets only first you have to do. So B plus C. So you have to add the B matrix with C matrix. Ordinary addition. First row first element with this first row first element. Then second element with second element. Third element with third element. And fourth element with fourth element. We will get this answer. Then A into B plus C. Now we are going to multiply A matrix with this B plus C matrix answer. Multiplication, we will get the answer that is marked as 1. For this right hand side, AB plus AC. Here AB means A into B. So we have to multiply A and B matrix, we will get one answer. And multiply A and C matrix, we will get some other answer. Then you have to add these two answers to get the right hand side. And you have to mark this as 2. Then compare this one answer and second answer. From 1 and 2, A into B plus C equal to AB plus AC. So hence proved. Next we are going to see example 73 in chapter 3. If means given, here A matrix is given, B matrix is given, show that AB whole transpose equal to B transpose A transpose. Yes, let us see the solution. Here left hand side is AB the whole transpose. So within the bracket we are having AB. So first you have to find the AB answer, that is multiplication of A matrix with B matrix. How to check the order? Here 3, here also 3. So AB is defined. The product is in the order 2 cross 2 matrix. Yes, we will get that. Here AB the whole transpose. So you have to find the transpose for this AB matrix. Okay, we will get how to mark that as 1. For the right hand side, B transpose A transpose. So for that, first you have to find the B transpose matrix from B matrix. The transpose means how to change the rows into columns and columns into rows. Next A transpose, this rows into columns and columns into rows. Next, you have to multiply B transpose and A transpose. Here order is 3 cross 3, that is B transpose A transpose is defined. The product matrix is 2 cross 2 matrix. How to mark this as 2? How to compare this 1 and 2? Yes, both are same. So from 1 and 2, AB the whole transpose equal to B transpose A transpose, hence proved. Thank you, students.